Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Leetcode question number 973, K closest points to origin. So let's first try to understand the question. Given an array of points in xy plane and integer k, we need to return k closest points to the origin. Further, the distance between 2 points on xy plane is given by Euclidean distance, that is under the root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now let's try to understand the question by an example. So let's assume we are given an input array points which is given by the first element of the array is 3 comma 3, and the second element is 5 minus 1, and the third element is minus 2 4, and the k value provided is equals to 2. So as we need to find the k closest points to the origin, which is given by 0 and 0, so let's if we plot these points, we will have in xy plane, we will have something like this, where 3 is represented by 3 comma 3 is represented by like this, 5 and minus 1 represented, point 5 and minus 1 represented like this, and a point minus 2 and 4 is represented like this. So if we need to calculate the distance between these points and the origin, we will calculate something like, so let's start with point 3 and origin 0. So if we want to calculate the distance between 3 and 3 and the origin, we will do 3 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square, which will be equals to under root 18. Now let's calculate the distance between 5 minus 1 and the origin, which will be given by 5 minus 0 whole square plus minus 1 minus 0 whole square, which will be equivalent to under root 26. And lastly, if we want to calculate the distance between minus 2 4 and the origin, we will calculate it by minus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square, which will be equals to under root 20. So basically what we have done is we have just applied Euclidean formula to calculate distance between the origin and a given point. Now as you can see, the point 3 and the 3 and 0's distance between 3 and the origin, this is the closest, and the second closest is this. So now for the answer we need to return three and 3 as the first element, and the second point that we return is minus 2 and 4. So this should be our answer that we need to return for this particular question. So now let me show you how we can use Python and code it and solve this question. So now let's go through the algorithm and code. As we have taken an example where we have given the input points as 3, 3, 5 minus 1, minus 2 and 4, and k values equals to 2. So first we need to sort the given list points based upon the ascending Euclidean distance. And second, we need to return the topmost k elements. So this is the simple two-step algorithm. Now let me show you how we can code this in Python. So let's suppose we have given an input list points and k value. Now to code it, we can simply return the sorted points, and we will sort this points list based upon Euclidean distance. That is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square further. We will sort this in ascending order, so reverse equals to false, and then we just need to return topmost k elements. That's it. A simple one-line solution in Python where we have sorted the list points based on ascending order of Euclidean distance and returned the topmost k elements. Now let me show you how we can code this in Leetcode. So as you can see, this is the code on the Leetcode where I have sorted the list points based upon the ascending order of Euclidean distance, and this is the test case with 3 and first element 3 comma 3, second 5 comma minus 1, and the third minus 2 comma 4. Now let me run this code. So as you can see, we got the answer 3 and 3 and minus 2 and 4. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.